Tomorrow I promise to love and cherish you, comfort and care for you, honor and protect you throughout our lives together.
Every day with
And
you
this is my solemn
is
vow to
magic.
you.
Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of
My
I love
karamay.
you.
Karamay ko, my soon-to-be wife. If I could give you just one thing in life, that would be my love for you and to be your husband. We have been always imagining and planning what our wedding will be, and here we are now. Our plans have finally become a reality. I give you this necklace with a heart pendant which symbolizes the promise that I made to you and my infinity love for you. You are my one and only one. Today and forever, I will always love you. No words can explain how blessed I am to have you in my life, and I always thank God for giving you to me. I can't imagine we've been together for 6 years already, and now we are here, few hours away to forever. All my life, I have been praying for an answered prayer. But I realized that you are my answered prayer all along. So see you later, Mrs. Strong.
Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we
To my dearest Karamay, as we begin this journey from beginning to end, I am so blessed to have you as my true love and best friend. Our forever starts today. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. See you at the end of that aisle. Here is my wedding to you for our future travels together to capture all the moments with you. I love you to the moon and back. With lots of love, your Karamay.
And here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever.
To my Karamay, we have been in a relationship for 5 years and 3 years as long-distance relationship. Everything that we have been through, the ups and downs, the failures and victories, finally lead us today. Indeed, the love that we have to each other is unshakable. It is strong. The moment you walk in the aisle, everything turns blurred. It is you and only you, my beautiful wife.
Laga, my Karaman. As I look back 6 years ago, you showed up when I was least expecting you. We started as workmates, then we became friends, then turned out to be lovers, and now we are marrying one another. You welcomed me in your world, and as I've learned about you, I realized how amazing you are as a person. You have brought me closer to God, and now we are both serving Him. I can't say we fall in love at first sight, but I can say 100% certainty that today I am marrying my soulmate.